Hey everybody, so this is your week 3 update with what we were doing in class this week. So if you're in quarantine or you just need a reminder of what we did, this is for you. Okay, so this week we had Labor Day, so we didn't have class Monday. So Tuesday we started with our B days. And they completed their final 2 root words, and there will be a quiz on Thursday for B days. And let me think. Ooh, that also says Thursday. So it would be Friday for my A days. Let me go ahead and change that. Oops. So anyway, there will be a quiz this week over the first 10, and that will go in the grade book. If you're in quarantine, don't worry about that right now. I can catch you up when you return, okay? Because I'm not sure about giving that digitally for the sake of fidelity and honesty. Okay, so anyway, we've been practicing with that with a Kahoot in class. Now, if you're in quarantine, you can find those roots. This is specifically for you. You can find those roots on Google Classroom. So if I'm on the classroom page, if you go to classwork, over here at the left, it should say quarantine absent resources. And you scroll down and all your Greek and Latin roots are updated right here. I do this weekly for you so that you can see which ones that you should be studying, okay? And the meaning is there for you. Okay. Anyway, so there's that. Another reminder is that I've also asked students to have an individual novel. If they are an A day, they need to have this by Monday. And if they're a B day, they need to have it by next Tuesday when I would see them. And we're going to have some assignments about that or with that very soon. They'll get a calendar of things that they have to complete with that individual novel. We've been to the library, so and I've explained how to get a book even with COVID going on, an ebook. So they should have that pretty soon. Okay. In class, we went over, this is just to say, this was just an exercise to go over how to write literary analysis, how to write an assertion and provide evidence and support that evidence with commentary. This was just very quick. And I recorded a lesson on this, which I can post for you if you're interested in this. There was no grade associated with this mini lesson. Okay. And then we began the PI, which is a text that all 10th grade pre-AP students are doing, no matter who their teacher is. We use that to introduce a lot of our skills. So they began their first Pear Deck lesson with that. And this was independent. So lesson 1, annotating, is independent. So this lesson asks you to read the text. This will make you copy. It'll force you to make a copy of the text when you click that. And so you read it and annotate it, and then you go through these elements. Okay, and yours on a Pear Deck will have a place to respond over here at the right. And then you will turn this slideshow in with your responses. You will turn this in with your annotations on Google Classroom for a grade. Okay, and that one was independent. Now, we haven't started this one yet. It's Wednesday currently while I'm recording this, so it's Wednesday the 9th. So on Thursday and Friday, I intend to begin lesson 2, and that is guided. So we'll begin lesson 2 where I'll present them with some AP style multiple choice questions, and they'll be able to talk about them and answer, and we'll discuss the answers, and then some discussion questions about the text, about the pie by Gary Soto. And then next week, we'll begin lesson 3. Okay, and I haven't gotten that far yet in my planning, but lesson 3, we will write a literary analysis over the text. So that is the plan for this week. Your grades this week, and I'm a little behind entering into eSchool, but your grades this week will be the beginning, middle, and end poem that you wrote using Billy Collins's Aristotle. We did this last week, and your poem is due this week. And then your root word quiz, and then your Pear Deck Lesson 1. So those are 3 grades coming at you very soon. So make sure, especially if you're at home, make sure you're reading my emails I'm sending you, and please communicate with me if you're struggling. If I see that you're not turning in assignments, I will specifically reach out to you, find out what's going on. So anyway, I hope you had a great Labor Day and you have an even better rest of your week. So hope to see you all very soon. Have a good day.